Hey everybody, welcome back to Plum Figgy. This is Tammy. Alright, I've got another Your Creative Studio unboxing to do for you. This is actually the December box. It says January, but I think they had some mislabels, and so I reaped the benefit of that. So they offered to send me a box in exchange for an unboxing video, and then of course I want to craft with it too. So I thought I would bring you guys along and we could look at the unboxing together. So this is the December box, like I said, from 2022, so it's a few months old. They always send this really cute thank you card, and usually it always has the kind of a hint of what the designs will be, the theme for the box inside. So. And then there's usually on the other side, let's see if we can make this out. We must make our lives as we sew, stitch by stitch. That's cool. I like that. I really like that. Okay, so let's see what we got. I'm excited. Let's see. I'm going to fold this way and then that way. There we go. Get it out of the way. Fold that up under. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, first of all, I need to open this. Look at these scissors. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I love them. I don't really share on this channel much about the sewing that I do. I do a lot of cross stitch and embroidery. So definitely going to be putting these to use. That's for sure. Actually, I want to take them out. I want to take them out. And this little card here, you can repurpose. Just add some scraps and stuff and then back it. And you've got yourself a nice little journaling card here. So I'm going to keep this as well. But let's take a look. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. I love these. They're nice, heavy duty. I like they're going to cut really well. I don't have anything very good to cut right here, but I love these. These are awesome. Really cool. So excited about that. All right. So we've got masking tape, which is washi tape. And I can pretty much guess it's going to be kind of the sewing machine design, I'm guessing, from this card. So let's see what we've got here. Oh, I opened it right to the spot. Let's see what we can pull out. If I can get my nails to work. There we go. Oh yes, how pretty. It's just all different. Okay, so there's the beginning. So it's just all different kind of sewing themed like doodads and things. Very antique-y, very junk journal-y. So really like that. Yeah. Carefully roll that back up and we'll definitely use it. And I love that the background color is kind of like this dusty pink rose. Really pretty, really nice. Kind of like an antique rose. I love that. Okay, well, let's see what we got here. Cling stamp. I bet you it's the sewing machine. It sure is. Look at that. Really cool. Really nice. All right, masking tape again. So this will be different. Let's see. I wonder if, oh, these are probably washi stick. Nope, this is really thin washi. Oh, I love this. This would be really good to use in your planner if you like to use washi tape in your planners. This could be really cool, like for a divider. Hopefully you can see that. There you go. Sorry for my hands, they're super dry. I've just been washing my hands so much. I mentioned in the last video we got a puppy, and I just feel like I'm washing my hands so much more often, which is good, but my hands are not getting lotion as much as they need it at the moment either. But okay, what we got here? We've got, oh cute, look at the little birds. Very cute. I like the color too. So that'll be a good little journaling card. We'll keep that for something. And we've got ourselves a nice little doily. So that'll be fun. We can turn that into like a pocket or something in our journal. Okay, and cling stamp, and it's going to be these little designs here, I bet you. So, I love this little pocket. Oh, sorry. Oscar and the puppy are coming back inside. They went for a little walk. Okay. That was my Ring doorbell, if you didn't know what that sound was. All right, so we've got little bobbins, and a tape measure. So again, just following that sewing theme. Really cute. I like that. Now I feel like I'm going to have to make a sewing themed journal or something. use some of this stuff up, right? Okay, and then this, let me use my new little scissors. I know I shouldn't use them for non-thread or fabric things, but it'll be okay. No harm done. Okay, so this says note cards, but it looks like a notepad of the plastic's in my hand. It looks like it's a notepad of like receipt kind of tickety things, checklist, memo, title. Oh, there's more than one. Okay. Oh, okay. So there's this design. So you got a little checklist, memo, stars, I guess. And then let's find the next design. So then you've got the days of the week. Very small, but that could be really cute. You could put that like next to a photo or a group of photos and kind of do a little description of what happened each day if you like go on vacation or something. Let's see. The next is a list for and date and then numbers. And then there's some room down here to write a little bit more if you have really small handwriting. And then another to-do list. So that's actually really fun. To me, this is more of like something a planner person would want to use than maybe a junk journaler. But I do both, so I will definitely find a use for it. Oh my gosh. Oh, cute. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, sorry. That was hiding under there. We have a little charm of a sewing machine. How cute is that? Well, you can't really see it that way, but how cute. That is very cute. Okay, so sewing themed journal. Do I have time for that? That's the next question. All right, so we've got stamp sticker set. Oh, this is going to be a nice one. Let's take out all of that. So this is just the back card. Actually, I'm not going to keep that card. But I'm wondering if these are clear stickers. They might be. Yes, they are clear stickers. So really cool. They'll be shiny, but that's okay. So it looks like we've got some travel. We've got Paris, New York, Leaning Tower of Pisa, the Crown, a hot air balloon, oh my god, a windmill. You guys, I have not had sleep. We've got some stamps and things, you know, like for postal stamps, postal marks, some like logos, old-fashioned logos. These are really cool. What do we got here? More travel kinds of stickers, some wildlife, dog and birds and chickens and horses, if you love animals. And then we've got some more travel stickers. So these are really fun. These are really fun to use in collaging, if that's what you like to do. Okay, and then, well, let's just look at this. It's kind of stuck to the back there. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous, you guys. Look at these stickers. And these are washi stickers. So, in a lot of, on a lot of paper, the outline kind of disappears. But look at this. It matches. It's really cool. These are really cool. I like that. Okay, so there's the stickers. And this will be, I think, some paper ephemera. Yep, that's what it says. So And there's the background. Again, we can easily reuse this in our journal as a journaling card or what have you. And so these are kind of thick. These are cardstock, so that's really good. So here's the first design. You get 2 of those. 2 of these. This one's just neutral. So you get 2 of each of those. So 6 of those. And then here we have, I'm thinking, all cardstock again. So that's really cool. Okay, so then here's this design. You get 1, probably 2 of each of those. Nope, 3 of those. Here's the next one. So if you are doing some tea dyeing, these would be perfect to tea dye, because look, the back is white, and you could tea dye these and make them even more vintage and antique looking. And then you wouldn't have to back them with anything or color the back, because the back would have tea dye on them. So really, really cool. Love those. And then last but not least, we have, this is usually a pack of papers that go along with the whole theme. So we've got our mannequin here. Really like that. And the papers, oh no, these are stickers. These are stickers. Sorry. These are stickers. So here we've got that design. And the sewing, I love this flower right here though. So pretty. Sorry if you can hear the puppy running up the stairs. Bobbin and thread there. And then this one is just a plain neutral kind of design. So that is the unboxing. Let me clear this away and let's play with these a little bit. All right, I'll be right back.